Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. So today is day 2 of what I'm calling 12 days of press-ons. Today's set is going to be a red inspired set, very cute, dainty, and similar to my day 1 set. So if you guys are interested in watching, here's all my supplies and let's get started. So because I kind of know already what I want my nail set to look like, I'm just mapping out the colors and just putting them all on at once instead of doing one nail at a time. So I'm gonna have loose glitter involved. I'm gonna have obviously the French tip, the gems, the snowflakes, like all of it. So I'm just gonna go crazy here. I'm just kind of freestyling but also referencing a photo. So that's how I'm able to kind of put my set together. And just briefly here, you're gonna notice how I bring out my French tip base that I always use. I was gonna just rely on just the pink, but it was way too sheer, so I decided to add that underneath and then put the pink on top, just so it can still have that pink hue, but be opaque. And unfortunately, my red glitter is just like impossible to see. I don't know if it's because I started out with a red coat with no glitter and then went in with the red glitter polish, but I thought it was going to be shinier and a lot more evident, but obviously not, so it's whatever. I'm not salty because it still turned out cute. So I'm also going to go in here with my matte top coat just so I can add that matte finish to all the nails that are going to have something extra going on. So I'm going to do the same to these French tips once they're done, and that's just a hack that I use to essentially keep the glitter from sticking to the base, because the last thing you want is to have loose glitter all over that tacky layer of your base of your French tip. It's so annoying. So pro tip, always matte out your nail first and then go in and put your glitter on, and then you can put on that top coat. As a side note though, I'm very excited for this 12 days of press-ons. I worked really hard on this, so I hope you guys enjoy this segment. I've never done a series before. I might have done like a couple of videos related to a certain topic, whether that be a holiday or something. I'm taking this one real serious, so 12 days of Christmas, 12 days of press-ons. It's gonna be super cute. For the snowflake design, I'm doing the exact same thing as I did yesterday, which was using that daughter tool and then taking a fine line brush to swipe through it to get that snowflake effect. This is the easiest way to do snowflakes and it turns out perfect every time. I highly recommend. So right here, I'm dumping that iridescent glitter on top of the wet gel polish, and I'm going to do the same for the candy cane nail. And this is going to work out because remember before we already put that top coat on those red nails, so that got rid of that tacky layer, so everything's gonna slide right off and only stick to the wet polish. So this last nail is the most fun for me. I had a little bit of a moment trying to get it together because I wanted to map out everything, but I went ahead and got my design together, got my nail glue, and then just put everything on exactly how I wanted it. And then I secured it with a little bit of top coat to go around just so they won't move and that they'll be secure all the way through. So yeah guys, this is what it came out to look like. Super cute and festive. If you guys like it too, leave me a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel so we can keep growing. We've got to 1,000, so now 2,000 is next. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!